A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
I have one question for you today. How you know when a person is a Christian or them is a follower of Jesus? Or when you see them go to church every Saturday or Sunday morning? Or maybe is when you see them just natural, no makeup, no process here, no jewelry. Maybe it's when you see them wear bare long clothes or they not going no party. How you know when somebody a follow Jesus? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want everybody to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop a comment below, share it with all of your friends them. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 13 from verse 21 to verse 38. When Jesus done said this year, he get heavy and him say, for true, me a tell you say, one of you go sell me out. So him follower them start look upon them one another. Cause what Jesus said to them did a batter them head. One of them, the one where Jesus did well of, did there the table and sit on side of him. So Simon Peter makes sign to the follower where Jesus love and tell him to ask Jesus which one of them he might talk about. The follower lean back upon Jesus' chest and ask him, say, Lord, who? So Jesus answer and say, are the one when me going to get a piece of bread here after me dip it in the bowl. Then when he dip the bread in the bowl, he give to Judas Iscariot, Simon boy picnic. And same time Judas take the bread, so Satan take over in heart. Make case and do what you're about to do, Jesus said to him. But none of them when they sit down at the table did know what make Jesus did tell Judas that day. But through Judas did in charge of the trade bag, some of them did think said Jesus did tell him if go buy all the way then did forget for the bread without yeast holiday. Or if you go give it now to poor people. Judas take the bread and he go a said time. No, at the night. After when Judas left going, Jesus said, God going to show how the man where God pick big and powerful. And God going to use him to show how him God big and powerful. If the man where God pick show people how God big and powerful, then soon God himself will show them how the man where him pick big and powerful. Me pick me go there, we don't know, for only a little bit longer. Uno go and look for me. But just like when me did say to the Jew leader then, I tell you the same thing. Which part me da go? Uno can't come there. Me I tell you no, if you do something new, love uno one another. Say the way me love uno, I saw uno for love uno one another. When uno love uno one another, I saw people going know, say uno I'm a follower. Simon Peter asked him, say, Lord, away you go. Jesus answered him, say, you can't follow me, go which part me I go right now. but you will come little more. So Peter asked him, say, Lord, when me can't follow you now? I would have dead for you. But Jesus said to him, say, you would have dead for me for true. And I'll lie you. But before the rooster crow, you're going to say, you don't know me 3 times. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.